Hi guys, what's up? It's your girl Angie. Hope you guys are doing well today, and for the people that are new, welcome. My name is Angie. Nice to meet ya. So today's video is gonna be another baking video surprise. I have now decided to transition into a baking channel. I guess it was coming, but with 2020, new surprises come every day, and this is another surprise for me, so it's still in the works. So today's video, I am going to be showing you how to make strawberry and blueberry mini cheesecakes. Most cases, not a lot of people have a huge fridge to put in desserts every now and then. You still have a delicious cheesecake morsel to eat on the go, or even just at home to snack on, because everyone's been staying at home. Hopefully you're staying at home, staying safe, and social distancing. So if you like this kind of videos and want to see more in the future, don't forget to subscribe to the red button down below. That's it, let's get on with making strawberry and blueberry cheesecakes. For the dry ingredients, you're gonna need graham crackers, cinnamon, brown, and white sugar, not to mention cornstarch. So that's all for the dry ingredients. Pretty simple, right? For the filling, most likely you're gonna need cream cheese, eggs, vanilla extract. I guess fruit counts as wet ingredients, so your strawberries and your blueberries. Because I was only able to find frozen blueberries at my store, it's gonna be fine. It doesn't matter whichever one. There's a higher sugar content when it comes to frozen than fresh fruit. That's it for the ingredients list, and we're gonna head to the baking station to start baking. So first off, before anything, we have to preheat the oven at 350 degrees. It's gonna be warming up while we make our stuff for the cheesecake. So here we have our ingredients to prepare for our graham cracker crust. A bag, a cinnamon, ground cinnamon, 4 to 5 tablespoons of butter. Well, you're gonna melt this soon. And brown sugar. And also not forget your graham crackers. This is what you need to make the graham cracker crust. First off, we have to start melting the butter. So we're gonna melt this butter at 30-second intervals, or 1 minute, or until this whole thing is melted. So keep your eye on this, or just don't burn it. While that is melting, we're gonna prepare with our graham crackers. We're gonna be needing about 10 to 12 graham crackers, because this recipe is not gonna be for like a big cheesecake. So now we have our melted butter ready to go. So we're gonna put here our 12 graham crackers alongside with 4 tablespoons of brown sugar. That's gonna add some flavor and sweetness to your cake. I mean, to your crust. I meant crust, sorry. 1 teaspoon of cinnamon into the whole bag. 4 to 5 tablespoons of butter into here, your bag. You whack all your crust till it's a fine powder or feels like sand. Also make sure to take out all the air in the bag so you won't pop the bag open and have a mess of graham crackers everywhere. That is what you're trying to not do. So. And if you give up using the rolling pin, you can just always use your hands and punch it. When you clump it in your hand, I already washed my hands, so I'm all good here. So when you clump it in your hand, it's supposed to do this. Like like if you're going to build a sandcastle, it's supposed to like clump into your hand. So that's enough for your graham cracker crust. We're gonna put that to the side, and now we're gonna start with our strawberry and blueberry puree. Oh, it smells so good. The first time I made this, oh my god, the graham crackers were so dry, and I did it perfectly now. Well, not perfectly, but better. We have our strawberries ready and washed. Now we're just gonna cut off the stems and dice them up. So we have about 2 cups of strawberries here. How you guys doing today? Hope you guys are doing okay and good and taking care of yourself, because you should be taking care of yourself. Everyone should be taking care of themselves during this time. But I hope you guys are doing okay, and if you guys enjoyed this recipe so far, or any of the commentary that I have to offer, you can leave a comment down below if you want me to do any other recipes that you like, because I'm always looking for ideas. So yeah, I should not be waving this around. Don't wave this around. To me, when I see baking videos, it's always traditional. Of course, they're teaching you how to do something. I, on the other hand, I'm like, oh, I'm just gonna talk to you while I bake something for you, so you can enjoy it at home if you want to do it by yourself. So that is my take on baking. It should be fun and not be taken serious. You're gonna blend your strawberries and your blueberries, and it's okay if your strawberries and blueberries mixed. I mean, it's berries regardless, but if you have a preference to either one, you can always blend them separately in 2 different containers. But honestly, save yourself the trouble and save yourself the cleaning time, because it's just berries. Or unless you're allergic to them, then that's another story. Here we go. About 1 teaspoon of cornstarch will do the trick. So 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. So that is your puree. it looks like a smoothie. Blend the blueberries, same thing, 1 teaspoon of cornstarch, and for the sugar on the frozen blueberries, to your preference, you can add. I'm just gonna put less than what I added for the strawberries. After that, we get started on the filling. And now we have the company of a dog barking. Great. Puree kind of ends up freezing a bit, then it's fine. Just blend it as best as you can. The whole melting process is gonna be in the saucepan. And now we're gonna start with our cream cheese filling. So this is just a simple recipe: vanilla, sugar, and cream cheese. Not forget the egg. You're just gonna need 1 8-ounce block of cream cheese. First, beat that up so you can incorporate air into your cheesecake because you want it airy and fluffy. Nope, wrong side. Is this the wrong side? Is it the right side? Nope, it's not. Okay. And now you incorporate your 1 egg. And then finally, add your vanilla. And slowly increase the speed every time you add something. Mix everything up with your spatula just to make sure you didn't miss anything. Like that, like look at that. Ooh, it's supposed to be a thicky. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, I have impressed myself today. We are gonna line our cupcake tin with 9 to 10 cupcakes. So that's about the amount that is gonna come out of this recipe. If there's a little bit extra, then help yourself to it. Unless it's the cheesecake filling, because that has eggs, that has salmonella, and I am not responsible for what happens to you. Don't eat the cheesecake filling, as advised. So about 1½ tablespoon will be enough for your crust. But after you line them up with your crumbs, make sure to pat them down to the liner so you can have a base to sit on. Scoop in about 1 tablespoon and 1/2 of cheesecake filling. Pop these things into the oven for about 18 to 20 minutes. And that's the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video on how to make mini cheesecakes from scratch, if you want to continue watching for more videos, then by all means subscribe to the button down below. And also don't forget to turn on the post notifications so you'll be notified on a new video on the channel. If you want to recommend me any recipes to bake on this channel, don't forget to comment down below your favorite recipe or what you enjoyed out of this video. That's it for me, and I hope you guys have a happy baking. Take care, social distance, and stay inside, wear a mask, but that's it for me. So see you in the next video. Bye!